all my peeps out in the world. What's up? So yeah, I moved my bed into the living room so that I can watch TV. Because now, like, in my room, it's like all empty. There's like a big empty spot right there. Anyways, DJ Chelsea, if you're watching, I want to see what I look like. See, I didn't grow anything. Kind of fatter, I got fatter ass. That's me. That's me. So, I am watching Comedy Central. I have to copy DJ in. I don't know what the fuck that was. Yeah, I'm hungry. See? Got a new tattoo. Noho Mika Ali. It means the happy one. Or like be happy, the happy one, I am happy, whatever, whatnot. Okay, well, peace out. Fucking those bitches. Hey, sending love from Hawaii. Okay. Bye. Where are the papers?